All right, guys, how are you? Happy Thursday. All right, we're gonna try something new. Mr. Brew is doing it, and Eliza showed it to me yesterday. We're gonna try to use FlipGrid. So those of you guys that have been using it already, you're ahead of the game. Those of you that have not, we're gonna try it today. It's just much more interactive. We get to see your faces, we get to do all those things, and it's pretty simple. All right. So you're gonna get an assignment after you're watching this video that looks something like this. Okay, you need to click on the FlipGrid. All right, link. It'll take you straight there. You need to log in with Google. Okay, boom. You're going to choose your person. Obviously, this is me. I got a few here going on. All right, and it takes you directly to our grid for the day. All right, and then the first part here is it's from me. It's for our social studies class. And then the first thing is your prompt. So it says, this is a trial run for what we will be doing in the future. Please post a short video saying hello and what you've been doing since we saw you last. All right. You click this plus, all right, to add your response. You're gonna have to allow your computer to use your camera. You're gonna have to give it permission to use your microphone, all those things. Okay, so again, when you're recording a video, make sure it's just you. You don't want a lot. Notice how I don't have a lot of craziness going on behind me. You want to make sure that you know you're ready to take a picture. I didn't just wake up out of bed. You just don't want to be embarrassed by what people are going to see in your video because everyone's going to see it. Correct? So girls, if you like, I want to get my hair done before I do it, or boys, you want to make sure you're wearing a shirt, things like that. You guys need to make sure that when you take this video, it's appropriate. Okay. It'd be best if you got your parents involved. Say, hey, mom, dad, I'm doing a video. Can you watch brother, sister, or can you help me out and get you set up? Okay. If there's any questions, you guys can always Google Hangout or email or FaceTime me and we can work it out, but I'm looking forward to trying something new. It's going to be pretty cool, okay? So look for the FlipGrid assignment. If there's any issues with that, obviously we can do just a short response or something like that, but today's response is not really social studies based. Tomorrow's is going to be a good one, so we're trying to get this whole thing rolling. If we can get everybody on board for this, this is how we'll do our responses tomorrow, okay? All right, so a new attempt. We're learning day by day, and I hope FlipGrid is the answer for us. Okay, holler at me if you need anything. Bye.